Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max class again. Shall we have a recapitulation of previous class? Yes, what is our lesson name? Counting in groups. What is our lesson name? Counting in groups. Now what is the topic name? Comparing number. What is the topic name? Comparing number. Okay children, why did crocodile picture is given here? Any guesses? I will tell you why it is given. Look at the mouth of the crocodile. How it is look like? Yes, longest mouth. When it is open his mouth, it looks like the symbol of more than and less than. Isn't it? So we use the crocodile mouth to explain the terms more than and less than. See this picture. The biggest side of the mouth is used to represent the term more than. Similarly, the smallest side of the mouth is used to represent the term less than. Okay, what about this symbol? This is equal to symbol. This is equal to symbol. When we use the more than or greater than symbol, somebody get confused about it, isn't it? I will tell you how to identify. Look at this picture. Crocodile's biggest mouth side faces towards the more number of apple side, isn't it? Crocodile also want to eat more apple like us, isn't it children? We also want to eat more like a crocodile, so that's why the mouth becomes bigger. That means biggest mouth side faces towards the biggest number. Likewise, smallest mouth side faces, yes, towards the smaller number. Did you understand children? I hope you understood how to use the symbol in correct places. Okay, if the number is equal, then what symbol will be used? Yes, equal to symbol. What symbol? Equal to symbol. See this picture. Crocodile get confused about which one can to eat at first. Why? Because both the numbers are equal, isn't it? In that place, you should use equal symbol when both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same. Before the comparison of numbers, we must know about the biggest number and smallest number. Am I right, children? Yes, similarly, you must know about ascending order and descending order, isn't it? Because you already learned in first standard about ascending order, descending order, biggest number, smallest number, bigger number, smaller number, isn't it, children? Yes, here the picture is simply explained the descending order and ascending order. See the first one, all the animals are arranged according to their sizes. See here, from big to small and small to big. See the first picture, frog is given. What is first one? Frog is given. Compared to other animal, frog is very small in size, isn't it? And see the symbol here near to the frog. What is the symbol given? Yes, lesser than symbol. Frog is small. So how do you tell this? Frog is smaller than other animal. It is also smaller than symbol, isn't it? From this, what did you know? Ascending order is an arrangement of numbers from small to big. Descending order is an arrangement of numbers from big to small. Look at this children. Here, why the letter A is underlined? Yes, A for ant. A for ant. Ant is small in size. So we start to arrange the numbers from small to big. It's a small clue how to identify the symbol for ascending order and what number should be right first. Okay. Similarly for descending order, what is the first letter of descending? D. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur is big in size, isn't it? So we start to arrange the numbers from big to small because dinosaur is big. So we start from big number. Okay, children? Next time, if you get confused, you see the first letter and identify which number should be right at first. Either a big number or a small number. Okay, children? Now, look at this picture. It is a practice time. What is the heading given? Choose the correct answer. What is given? Choose the correct answer. Here some set of pictures are given. You are going to count the picture and identify which symbol is suitable for this question. Okay. First count what is the first set of picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. How many pictures are given? 11. How many seahorses pictures are given? First group 4, second group 4, third group 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So in the squid fish, 11 pictures are given. In the seahorse picture, 12 pictures are given. So squid is less than seahorse or more than seahorse? Less than. Let me check the answer. Yes, less than, because it is 11. 11 is smaller than 12. Compared to 12, 11 is small number. So we put lesser than symbol. We put lesser than symbol. Okay, children, now recall what did you learn from the previous class to this class. More than or greater than, less than, smaller than, equal to, all these words are used to compare the numbers. Biggest number can be expressed by the word more than while comparing two numbers. Smallest number can be expressed by the word less than while comparing two numbers. The symbol of the words more than, less than, equal to are given below. See the symbol? Greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal to symbol. Now this is the time for solving the questions. Read the first question. What is given? Number of fingers in your hands. That means you are going to count both the hands. Yes. Did you count your fingers? How many fingers do you have? More than 5 or less than 5? Yes, more than 5 is the correct answer. Let me check. Yes, more than 5 is the correct answer. Now read the second question. Number of days in a week. How many days in a week? Let me check the answer. More than 8 or less than 8? Okay. What is the answer? Yes, less than 8, because number of days in a week is 7. Isn't it? Now read the third question. Tell any 5 numbers more than 60. More than 60. That means more than 60. What is more than 60? After the number 60. That means forward counting. Answer 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. Next, look at the fourth question. 89-98. Identify the correct symbol. Which one is coming here? 89 is lesser than 98. 89 is lesser than 98. So, we put lesser than symbol. Shall we check the answer? Yes, it is also correct. Next, fifth question. 90-90. 90-90. So 90-90. Both are same numbers. So we put equal to sign. We put equal to sign. Look at the sixth question. Arrange in ascending order and descending order. We already know about it. Ascending order. A for ant. So we start from the smallest number and D for dinosaur. For descending order, we start from biggest number. See, what is the smallest number? 10. After that 12, after that 23, after that 56, after that 95. That is ascending order, isn't it? Descending order, 95, 56, 23, 12, 10. Yes, both the answers are correct. Now children, all of you take your max note and write the given content what is given in the worksheet. Thank you.